Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the into Huck's World, and today we're going to check the tech on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. We're going to talk about whether the battery life is a beast or not, and how much of a beast is it really over the Galaxy Note 9. Now, with that being said, we cannot talk about the Galaxy Note 10 without talking about its predecessors, the Galaxy Note 9. Now, the Galaxy Note 9 has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and out the gate when it first came out, it was a beast in the battery department again and again and again. Now we dropped down to the Galaxy Note 8, which had a 3,300 milliamp hour battery, and it was also a powerhouse, not as much as the Galaxy Note 9, but you were able to get home with battery life to spare. Whether you was a heavy user or a light user, you had great experience with the battery life on the Galaxy Note 8. Now, the Galaxy Note 7 is the one that started it all. It was the first Samsung Galaxy device that had the best battery in it. Matter of fact, it had the best battery in the market. Yes, I'm going to go on record to say that because not everybody's phone blew up or caught fire. I had experienced the greatest battery life any smartphone has ever had. Now, sadly, what happened to the Galaxy Note 7 was a tragic, but I'm telling you, Samsung did their thing with that battery. They got cautious with the Galaxy Note 8 with the 3,300 milliamp hour battery. Then they got comfortable just a little bit, and they raised it back up to the 4,000 milliamp hour battery we now have on the Galaxy Note 9. So if you're wondering whether you should jump from the 8 to the 9 or the 10 Plus, you're about to find out in a second. So let's talk about this. First, we got to talk about the Galaxy Note 9. Now, my experience with the Galaxy Note 9 from beginning to end has been great. I had no problem with the battery life. It performed again and again and again. You never had to worry about having battery life to spare with the Galaxy Note 9, whether you was a heavy user or not. I cut nothing back. That means the always on display is on. The brightness is at 100%. GPS is running. Bluetooth is running, NFC is running, you name it, I got everything going. That's the way I roll, full throttle. Now, my experience with the Galaxy Note 9 day one, I was able to get 4 hours and 48 minutes of on-screen time after 15 hours and 50 minutes. That was beautiful. It was a phenomenal experience, but I was able to squeeze out a little over 5 hours on the second day, which was even better. So the Galaxy Note 9 will not disappoint, especially if you're coming from a phone like the Galaxy Note 5 up to the Galaxy Note 8 or the Galaxy Note 9. You're gonna have a great experience so far as battery life is concerned. Now on day one with the Galaxy Note 10, my experience was great. This phone had me like Pookie and New Jack. It just keep calling me, man. It just keep calling me. Now, if you don't know what that is, type in New Jack, look for Chris Rock, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And I'm pulling out my phone every 6 minutes because this screen display is beautiful. It knocks the Galaxy Note 9 screen display out of the park. Now, after 6 hours and 9 minutes with this smartphone, I was able to get on-screen time of 1 hour and 4 minutes and still had 70% battery life yet left. When I got down to 46%, I had 2 hours of on-screen time. I let it drop down all the way to 16%. After 15 hours and 32 minutes, I had 5 hours and 3 minutes of on-screen time. I let it drop down just a little bit more, down to 5%. After 17 hours and 44 minutes, I had 5 hours and 38 minutes of on-screen time. That is phenomenal. Now, day two was even better. Day two, after 11 hours, people, let me count them up, 11 hours and 9 minutes, I had 6 hours and 4 minutes of on-screen time. I keep telling you, I beat my phone up on a daily basis. I hold nothing back. I cut nothing back. We're not trying to save battery life. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus has one of the best batteries you're gonna ever experience in any smartphone. So if you're wondering, should you jump from the 8 to the 9? I say jump from the 8 to the 10. Your experience is gonna be far greater, especially with the display like what you're looking at right now. Now, if you wanna check out this wallpaper, let me know. I'll put the link in the description down below. You guys can go check this out. But that's my experience with the Galaxy Note 10. It did not disappoint, just like the Galaxy Note 9. Your choice, it is up to you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.